Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go in here. So we have like this. When s approach to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we see that the integration from 0 to number 0, you got number 0. This one you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So for this one, we have the formula. So we have y equals to the integration from a to b, and we have f of t dt. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. So we have f of b minus, we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 will change for t. And now we can apply the formula in here. This one we applied the power rule of the derivative, and we have 3s squared. This one you got number 0. This one we have number 1. Now we can simplify like this. So when s approach to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. We still got about 0 over 0. Now we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one, if we do first derivative of sine s squared, we have 2s cosine s squared. This one we have 2s, and now we need to simplify 2s, and now we can put number 0 cone here, and we have negative 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.